If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it to get our latest videos. Hey guys, today here we are with the Moto G40 Fusion. Let's do the unboxing and check how the phone is. It comes with the Snapdragon 732G processor, and here's what the box looks like. Let's open this and see what we get in the box. First you get the phone. It's a really good phone and it looks really nice. The finish at the back is really good. A shiny gloss surface, which is plasticky. It's made of plastic, but it looks really good. And we also get this back cover, which is really good. We can use it for the phone safety. It has a really reflective and shiny surface at the behind. Which makes the phone looks really premium. And here's the fingerprint scanner. It also comes with a punch hole cam on top. On the side it comes with a volume rocker and a power key, and also dedicated Google Assistant button. I don't think that is much use of it. And here we have a headphone jack and a microphone. Down below we have another microphone, USB type C, and a speaker. It's a mono speaker, it's not a stereo speaker. You get single speaker on this one. Let's turn this phone on and check it out.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, let's set up this phone quickly. Till then, let's check it out what else we get in the box. Here we get some documents. In this we get some documents and user manual and guide. That's all we get in this box. So here we get the USB type C cable. And also a 20-watt charger. The phone's battery is of 6000 milliamps. And here we get a SIM ejector tool. I feel like they should have provided with a faster charger, just than 20 watts. So here's the phone, and it also packs in with the 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes the scrolling really smooth. The display looks really good. It's IPS LCD display, and there are no ads or bots. There are no unwanted apps in this phone. And it also comes with a personalization option where you can change the icons themes as per your requirement. There's also preset themes which you can set from here. You can set the theme as per your likings. It also comes with a 6.8-inch display, 1080 into 2460 and a Snapdragon 732G chipset, and the front punch hole cam is of 16 megapixels. The punch hole bezels of the punch hole cam is a bit thicker, which could have been a bit smaller. And also comes with the 4GB RAM and 64GB variant, and also the another variant we have with the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. This comes with the Android 11 out of the box. It has a hybrid SIM slot where you can insert either 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and a memory card. Here we can see the display option, and also we have the option of changing the refresh rate of the screen. We have auto 60Hz and 120Hz. If we keep it 120Hz, the battery consumption will be very high compared to 60Hz. And the weight of the phone is 225 grams, which feels quite high, but the weight distribution is really good on this phone, so you won't feel it very heavy. And it also has a dark mode, which I really like. And it comes with a octa-core. Let's change it back to the old thing. And here we have the cam. The front cam is of 16 megapixel, and we have a three rear cam. One is 64 megapixel with f1.7 aperture and 8 megapixel with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixel with f2.4. It looks really nice. The cam is really good on this phone. The camera interface is really simple and easy to use. You can play around with adding different effects to it. The shutter speed of the camera is good, it's fast. Now let's check about the fingerprint scanner on this phone. It is fast, but I wouldn't say it's one of the fastest, but it's really good. It's fast, it does the job, so that's really good on this phone. So that's all for today. Please like, subscribe to my channel, share this video. Thanks for watching.